We are looking at the foundational notes for Course, Control System, Lecture 1. Our specific focus today is the section titled How to Write Answer in Exam, dealing exclusively with 2-mark questions. Success in these short questions often determines your overall performance in the exam. Graders look for 5 specific elements: a correct definition, key terms, extreme brevity, clean formatting, and precise technical language. Writing long paragraphs in this section is a waste of your exam time. In engineering exams, strategic execution is as critical as knowledge. Providing concise, targeted answers secures marks quickly, leaving time for complex calculation sections. This model answer for question 1, Define Control System, reads, "A control system is a system that manages, regulates, or directs the operation of another system to obtain the desired output. The accuracy depends on those specific action verbs: manages, regulates, and directs." Think of a traffic officer at a busy intersection. They manage the flow, regulate the speed, and direct the vehicles to ensure the desired output of a safe, efficient crossing. This answer captures that entire concept in under 3 lines. Question 2 asks for 2 applications of control systems. The model answer lists 2, an automatic water tank control and the temperature control in an electric iron. When asked to list applications, always use numbered bullet points rather than a sentence format. This structured presentation signals to the examiner that you can identify technical principles in real-world hardware with precision. Before we move to the next question, pause the video. Based on the definition we just covered, try to identify one technical keyword that must appear when explaining the purpose of a system. Looking at question 3, what is the purpose of a control system? The answer is broken into 3 distinct phases. First, producing the desired output. Second, comparing actual output with desired output. And third, taking corrective action to reduce error. While question 1 defines the system, question 3 explains how it maintains accuracy. The term control action is the specific keyword required to describe how the system addresses errors to improve performance. Internalizing this cycle of comparison and correction establishes the basic logic you will use to evaluate every automated system throughout this course. The exam tips table at the bottom of the page contrasts the required approach against common student errors. For 2-mark questions, 2 to 4 lines are sufficient. Common pitfalls include writing excessively long answers, adding irrelevant points, or sacrificing clarity through poor handwriting. Finally, look at the precise definitions for our core terms. Control action is the action taken by the system to achieve the output. Input is the signal applied to the system, and output is the resulting response. Using these precise terms signals to the grader that you have moved past general descriptions and have mastered the technical language of the discipline. To maximize your marks, follow these 3 rules. Write 2 to 4 lines, use technical keywords, and maintain a neat layout. To prepare for your next exam, handwrite these exact model answers in your notebook today.